Apple plans to release a software fix to address a crackling some iPhone 8 users report experiencing. Sarah Tuknad. Apple is developing a software fix to eliminate a disruptive sound that some iPhone 8 users are experiencing through their earpieces during phone calls, an issue first reported by The Verge. Dozens of iPhone 8 users have reported in online forums hearing a crackling or static sound that disrupts the audio when they make calls, the site reported Tuesday. The issue appears to affect both the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus on different carriers and in different parts of the world, the site reported. We are aware of the issue, which is affecting customers in a small number of cases. Our team is at work on a fix, which will be included in an upcoming software release, Apple said in a statement to The Verge. Apple didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. Special reports all of CNET's most in-depth features in one easy spot. It's complicated. This is dating in the age of apps. Having fun, yet these stories get to the heart of the matter.